Hello friends, welcome to the best e-learning portal. Today I am going to show you how to conduct the online exam for Sentence School BEAD. In your phone,
Open Google Chrome.
I am using here Chrome. Now in the search box, type stawnearn.com sentencebead.crownelearn.com. After that, click enter. Okay, now on this page you can change your password. First of all, you have to click on the forgot password. Click on it. Now in the first box, select student. In the second box, type your username there, that means your admission number, and click on the reset password. After that, the new password will come to your registered mobile number. Now go back to again the login page. Enter your username and your new password here and click on login. Now on the dashboard you can see so many options here like knowledge bank, online exam, offline exam, online free contents, and the assignments given by teachers. Okay, click on the online exam. Now here you can see all the upcoming exams and the previous exams here. Like this one is date expired, these are upcoming exams. Okay, now click on the exam which is going to be conducted today. Now click on the start exam button and start exam again. Okay, here you can see downside the question number 1. We have some demo questions for you. Now go down there, read the question. Like here, your school name. Notice that this is fill in the blanks question. Now in the first box, click and type the school name. Saint Anne's School. Okay, now after that click on the next button. Downside you can see the time status, the remaining time for your exam. Now click on the next button and read the second question. You can see that this is multiple choice question. Now in your exam you can read the question and select which is the correct answer. A, B, C, D, whatever it is. 1, 2, 3, 4 and click on the next. Same procedure you have to follow. Now there is another type of question and that is true or false. Now read the question and check whether given statement is true or false. Click on the correct option. When all the questions are over, you can go back to previous page. You can go back and check the previous questions and answers. You can check all the questions and answers before finishing the exam. Once you're done, you can click on the finish button to complete your exam and click confirm yes. After finishing your exam, on the next page you can see the total marks achieved by you. Now click on the home button to go back to dashboard. Now click on the online exams again. Now here you can check all the exams which are remaining and which are completed by you. Now it is showing that first exam is attended. Now you can click on the key option to see the key paper. Now it is showing that the blue means the answer which is expected. Green means your given answer was correct. Red means wrong and yellow means skipped question. Now here you can check all your answers. Now here we can see that the answer for the first question was Sentence School and we have given Sentence School. Like that second question we have selected C option and correct option was the fourth D option. Likewise, you can check all the questions and answers given by you and the expected correct answers. Upside you can see the total marks and achieved marks. So that is very easy process, no need to worry about that. Now to all the best for your exams. Thank you.